from Group 6.
My name is Fania Rahmawati.
My name is Sri Nuraini.
My name is Devri Susandi.
My name is Sofia Tunisa.
My name is Akbar Permana.
My name is Hanai Syafana.
We want to discuss our topic, namely the urgency of second social media account in Gen Z.
The reason why we choose this topic is because currently Gen Z has more than one account to express themselves without hesitation.
Enjoy the video and happy watching.
Stay tuned!
So, the topic of discussion that we chose was about the urgency of second account on social media for Gen Z. Because in this modern era, many Gen Z use more than one account on their social media, because sometimes they need more privacy in sharing their daily life on social media.
Who often create the second account? Here, Gen Z, individual born between the mid-1990s and early 2010s who are highly active on social media and often create second account for personal expression, privacy, or social management. They are the first generation to grow up fully immersed in digital technology, with the internet, smartphone, and social media being a constant part of their life.
Gen Z often has a diverse group of friends and interests. Second account allows them to share more specific content for a specific audience. For example, professional content on one account and personal content on other.
Gen Z use of second accounts is most prevalent on social media platforms such as Instagram, X, and TikTok, where self-image and public expectations are high, so they feel the need for a more private space to express themselves.
The second account phenomenon began to emerge when social media has more users, and more people want to describe their daily life, but they limited that who can see.
How is the second account create or occurs? The second account occurs because the individual feels like they want to be more private, because usually the second account is only filled by close friends. So an individual can express themselves more without any hesitation.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you for taking the time to uh, participate in this interview our team. I am Sri Raini, a student of the sociology education. Nah, before we begin, I would like explain a little about the topic of this interview. I would like to learn more about Generation Z, habits of creating a second account on social media, and how it affects the way they express themselves digitally. Your opinion is very important to support this research. Before getting into the question, may I ask you to introduce yourself first? Simply state your name, your program study. Well done.
Okay, my name is Gia Marta Salsabila, and I'm from Digital Business Student. So I'm from 2024. And hi.
Okay. Hello. For the first question is, have you ever felt limit in expression yourself in your first social media account? If so, was that a reason for you to create a second account?
Okay, I agree with your statement because in my first account, so everyone is feel free for following each other, and it's so make me feels like I want to have my private life. So if everyone know about my life, I'm so a little bit so awkward. So I create a secret account.
Okay. Next question is, in your opinion, what are the main difference between your first and second account in terms of how you interact and expression yourself?
Okay. Of course, the people. So, have the difference between the first account and second account. In second account, I I'm so deep for the close friend. So I trust them and I'm happy to share my expression in second account.
Okay. Next question is, how likely is that you trust people in your close friend on your second account? How would you respond if a friend from your close friend research content or news that your first the others?
Okay, maybe 8 out of 10 because in my second account I trust them to share my experience or my expression. And I'm the type of the people who share the happy things. So if others share the happy news too, and I'm so fine with that.
Okay. Do you feel that second account provides a safer space to share personal things or opinion that are difficult to convey on your main account?
Absolutely yes.
For the last question, is do you feel any negative impacts from a second account?
No, because in my second account, I trust them and I feel enjoy with them, so no one make me feel negative.
Okay, thanks all for today's interview. Thank you so much for taking the time and help us for our research interview today.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, my name is Azra Hakim Sadata, and you can call me Sazra. I'm from batch 2024, study program Communication Science.
Okay. Thank you for helping us. Yeah. So let's begin the question. The first question: have you ever felt limited in expressing yourself on your first social media account? If so, what was that a reason for you to create a second account?
Yes, because I feel like my first account contains with mainly wider reach, relation or followers, and they don't need to know about my actual expression. So that's why I make second account. It's about professionalism.
Hello, my name is Isan Fadila. I'm studying Sociology Education in State University of Jakarta.
Do you feel any negative impacts from a second account?
When posting something, afraid of being too excessive.
Okay, thank you so much. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Asfia, and I'm from Pendidikan Sociology Education.
What are the main difference between your first and second account in terms of how you interest and express yourself?
Okay, in my opinion, the difference is on my first account, I try to be more formal or careful because more people are watching, including people I don't know very well. But on my second account, I only let close friends follow me, so I feel more comfortable being myself. I post like silly things, honest opinions, or even personal problems and meme in there.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Atika. I am from Sociology Education, class 23.
For the next question, how likely is it that you trust people in your close friends on your second account? How would you respond if a friend from your close friend reshared content or news that you shared with others?
First, I really believe them that if they spread what's on my close friend, I will be really disappointed and immediately remove them, not only from my close friends but also from my second account.